Question. Good morning, children. Today, continuation of the permutations and combinations. Executive will start today. So, the question number 1, short answer type questions. Short answer type questions. Question number 1. Just reading the question I am first now. Find the number of 4-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word equation. How many of them begin with E, and how many of them end with N? And third question, how many begin with E and end with N? Now just I am writing all those expressions in the IP. How to write that total thing? Already I written in left side. Just I am giving explanation to this question here in the right side. Just you see this one, right? Right like this only. The equation is given now. So by using the letters of the word is equation. So the first question is given. How many ways of using these letters of the word equation? How many number of ways to form an equation? So that is the given word has equation has totally first count the. So equation has 8 letters. First to form a 4-letter word, so we have to fill 4 places using these 8 letters. So this can be done in 8P4. Why? Because equation is there. Equation given word is equation. So we have to fill 1, 2, 3, 4-letter word to form a 4-letter word. So by using this letter equation word, by using these 4 places, we have to fill up by to form a 4-letter word. So number of letters in the equation is totally first count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 means 8 letters are there. So by using this in the equation, it has the 8 letters. So to form these 4-letter words, how many ways we can fill up? That means total 8 letters to form a 4 letters. So it can be done with first letter goes to this. Similarly, next letter 7 and 6 and 5. So total it is denoted by 8P4. So that is 1680 ways total. So total by using these letters of the word equation. So to form a 4-letter word, so we have to fill 4 places by using these 8 letters. So this can be done in 8P4 days. This is the first equation. Find the number of 4-letter words. The question is given. It can be formed using the letters of the word equation. That's why we completed like this. Next, in first bit is given. Begin with E. So to form a 4-letter word only. But it will start with E. How many we can permute by using the equation of the given word? So that is first place So first place fill the first place with E. So in the equation we already it can be placed now in the first place. So remaining all are totally how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters. 7 letters are there and filling the 3 places. So 3 places with 7 letters. So this can be done in NPR form, that is 7P4. 7P4 nothing but 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. So that is, you can simplification 20, 120, 120 into 848. So this is the question number. First bit, begin with E. Begin with E means fill the first place by using the given equation word. Fill the first place with E. So it will be over. So then total remaining, how many remaining letter means 7 letters and the 3 blank places are there. So this can be done in 7P3. Here right here 7P3. So right here 7P3. 3 letters, 7 letters are there. Leftover boxes only 1, 2, 3 boxes. That's why we have to write 7P3 ways. So that is 7P3. So this is 7 into 6 into, so that is 210 ways. So how many ways? Nothing but by using the fill the first place with E, then we can find with 3 places and remaining 7 letters. So this can be done in 7P3 ways. This is the question number. First question, first bit is this one. So in this way, just I am explaining in the right side. You have to write all those things in this way. So it carries only in the examination. It carries 4 marks now. So explanation is most important. So that's why its time will take, and that's why I written in previously. In the similar way, second question is there. Words end with N. End with N by using the equation. The given word is equation is given. So by the question is given that words end with N. So to form a 4-letter word, the words must be end with N. So how many letters should be formed with the equation by using in the last place with the N. So first we have to fill the equation in the letter 1. So fix up with N in the last place. So then the remaining how many places are left with? So 3 places are there. And the remaining letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that is 7 letters. This also in the form 7P3. So this can be 7 into 6 into 5. That is also here also same answer. This can be done in 210 ways. What is the question is given? Words end with N to form a 4-letter word by using the letters of the word equation. So first we fill with last place with N. Then how many places are left with our? So that is 3 places and already N is fixed. Remaining letters are there 7 letters. 7 letters with we have to find 3 blank places. So this can be done in 7P3 ways. So 7 into 6 into 5, that is 210 ways. In the similar way, the question number 3, first bit, third question is given. The question is words begin with E and end with N. Begin with E means this is the question number. Question second bit. This is first question, second one. Similarly, this is third one. Third one means in the same way to form a 4-letter word. Beginning the question is given words begin with E and end with N. So begin with E means first place filled with E and the second place in the last end place can be filled with N. The first place, fill the first place with E. In the question is given. That's why we are filling with E and the last place with N. So how many letters we can use in the equation letter? Equation word is given already in this. N is fixed, E is fixed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters are there. Totally 5 letters are there. Remaining leftover places are 2. So leftover places are 2. So how many? So that is how many ways we can in the equation already total how many letters are there? 7 letters. Remaining 2 means 5 letters remain. So 5 letters with this one is 5P2. So that is 5P2 question. So that is 5 into 4, that is 20 ways. So in the equation is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 8 means here 2 or over means we can have the letter 6. So that is 6p2. 6p2 nothing but 6 into 5. 6 into 5 nothing but here we can form a 30 ways. The question is given words begin with E and end with N. So total to form a 4-letter word. So that should be 1, 2, 3, 4. So first place with E and the last place with N. So two places are fixed. Next remaining two places and the remaining letters are 6 letters. So this can be done in 6p2 ways. 6p2 nothing but 6 into 5. 6 into 5 nothing but 6 5 is 30. 30 ways we have to fill in the day. Therefore, the number of 4-letter word that begin with E and end with N is 30 ways. So explanation is important. So write this total thing as to in the explanation most important. That's why I have completed now. So right side only I am explaining how to write this total part should be in the rough column. You have to understood like this. So write in the exam also this total thing you have to write. In the same way, the question number 2 is there. Find the number of 4-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word miracle. So total things you have to first in the previous question already once again I will explain now. So what is the question is given in the equation. Equation what is given, how many number of 4-letter words that can be formed using the given word to form a 4-letter word. That's why total letters are here 8. So number of fill in the blank places are 4. So this can be done in the first question, in the first statement. That is how 8 letters, 4-letter word. So that is 8 people. In these, begin with how many are to form a 4-letter word by using begin with the letters are is asking. So that is fix up with in the equation word fix up with E. So that is how many letters remaining, that is 7 letters and 3 letters are left with 3 boxes places. 3 places are left. So that is in the form to form this 7 letters, 3 blank places. So it should be done in 7p3 ways. 7p3 can be written as start with n, end with 3 ways. So 7 into 6 into 5. So that is 210 ways. In the similar way, the second question number 2 is given. Words end with n. The words in which by using the letters of the word equation only, words end with n. So that's why to form a 4-letter word means first draw the 4 boxes and end with n. So n is fixed, that is so totally remaining letters we have and the blank places are 3. So this can be also done in 7p3 ways. Nothing but 7 into start with n, writing up to 3 terms. 7 into 6 into 5, that is 2 times. So question number, the first bit, third one, words begin with E and end with N to form a 4-letter word. So fix up with E in the first place with E and end with N. So we have to totally how many letters? 6 letters and remaining blank places is 2 places. So the 2 places to be filled with the remaining 6 letters. So this can be permuted in the 6p2 ways. 6p2 nothing but writing with starting with 6 and writing up to 5 2 terms, that is 6 into 5, that is 30 ways. Therefore the number of 4-letter word that begin with E and end with N is 30 ways. In this way we have the total thing, you have to explain the total thing in the question. Don't write in directly this question, don't write this right side column, only writing this one is in the examination. Completely description is important. Then go to I am going to second question. So the question is given in the question. Find the number of 4-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word miracle. How many of them? First one, begin with an vowel and begin and end with an vowels, and third one, end with the consonants. So this is the question is given in the textbook, in the DUC textbook. That is the question number 2. The question is find the number of 4-letter words. Here also to form a 4-letter word. By using the word is given that in place of equation it is given miracle. How many of them? First question is given begin with an vowel and second one begin and end with an vowel and third one end with a consonant. In similar way, in the first statement is asking, that is So how many ways being to by using the letters of the way. So first miracle is given. So miracle, M-I-R-A-C-L-E. This is the question. What is the question? First statement, find the number of four-letter words to form a four-letter word. So four-letter word means you have to draw four-letter word means to draw the four boxes. So how many in miracle word letters are? 7 letters. To fill the 4 places by using the 7 letters. Therefore, the number of 4-letter word that can be formed using the 7 letters, that is in 7P4. That is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. Starting with 10, writing up to 4 terms. So that is totally becomes to 840 ways. So he is asking only find the number of first statement Nana. Number of 4-letter word that can be formed using the letters of the word miracle. This is the question number first statement. So write as miracle word has how many letters means 7. You count them 7 letters. To get a 4-letter word, so we have to fill 4 places with these 7 letters. Therefore, the number of 4-letter word that can be formed using these 7 letters is 7P4. That is 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. That is total things are 840. This is the question first statement. In the second one, in how many of them? In this problem, continuation are 3 problems are there. So that is begin with an vowel. That's why I am writing here. In miracle, how many number of vowels are there? First you have to check out. And how many number of consonants are there? You have to check out. So number of vowels are I, A, E. Actually A, E, I, O. But in the question is only I, A, E. That is 3. And number of consonants is remaining. That is nothing but 4. So first question is given. So that is begin with an vowel. Begin with an vowel means miracle is given. Miracle is given. The word is miracle. So vowels are how many? I, A, E is given. Consonants are given. M. How many are there? R, C, L. Here are three vowels. Here are 4 vowels. So in the question is given begin with an vowel. Begin with an vowel means to get a word by 4-letter word. In this begin with vowel. Vowels are how many are there? 3 vowels. So this first place either fill with I, R, A, R, E. How many ways we can fill up this one? We can fill the first place with one of the vowels. How many are there? 3. So we have to write in the mathematical language, that is 3P1. That is nothing but 3 ways. So this is the first place with either I, either A, either E. How many ways? Nothing but 3 ways. Then how many places are left with? So that is 1, 2, 3 places left. In miracle I will be cut. So remaining how many are there? 6 letters. 6 letters are there by eliminated by I, and using the fill we have to fill with the remaining 6 letters with 3 blank places. So that is how many ways? Nothing but 6 letters, 3 blank places. That is done in the 6P3. That is 6 into 5 into 4. 6 into 5 into 4 nothing but 120 ways. So that is the 120 ways to form a number of 4-letter words which is in which begin with an vowel. That is total answer is going to 3 into 6P3. So 3 into 6P3 means 3 into 120. That is nothing but 360 ways. So this is the question number. First bit, first statement is on in the first question. The second one, first bit. Begin with an vowel. So observe the question first, read the question carefully. Then you get an idea to form a 4-letter words by using the miracle. The question subject to condition is given that begin with an vowel. So number of vowels in the given word is I, A, E. So that is why I, A, E nothing but 3 vowels are there. So first place can be filled with 3 ways. Why? Because either I, either A, either E. So this can be done in 3 ways. Then we are left with 3 blank places. If it is I1, 1 eliminated, that means the remaining are 6 letters you have to find. If it is filling with either A, similarly we get 6 letters only. Either E also same. So 6 letters, 3 blank places. This can be done in 6P3 ways. So total number of things is 3 times of 3 into 6p3. So 3 into 6p3 nothing but 3 into 120, that is 360 ways. How many ways? Nothing but this. But write this, all those things in the explanation, most important in the IP question. So IP point of view, you have to write all those explanations. That's why I'm written like this. In right side only I'm explaining. So write all these things in the examination, correctly write down. Explanation most important in the examination. In the objective system, this is no need to write all these. But in the IP examination purpose only, we have to write all these things. So I'm explaining this is in the right side. You have to write in the exam all those like this only. Put an side heading and explanation most important. So next question is second question. Begin and end with an oval. Subject to the condition is by using the letters of the word miracle, but to get a 4-letter word, and in this begin and end with an oval. So first place with fill with oval. B means here oval, and the last place also fill with oval. So fill the first and last places with the 2 vowels. Out of how many vowels are there? 3 vowels. 3 vowels in first place and end place. So this can be arranged in 3p2 ways. That is 3 into 2. That is 6 ways. Then how many places we can find? Remaining 2 over. So the remaining 2 places and 2 in the equation. I suppose 2 vowels completed. Suppose I are fixed with I and A. Remaining how many letters remain? So 5 letters. 5 letters and 2 places. So this can be done in 5p2 ways. 5p2 nothing but 5 into 6. So that is here, right? 30. 5 6 are 30 ways. So this can be done 5p2 ways, that is 5 into 6. So total answer is 5 into 6 nothing but 30 ways. By using the begin and end, the number of letters are begin and end with this. So total answer you should write 6 into 30. 6 into 30 nothing but 180. So remaining this as in the next page. So therefore the number of 4-letter words that begin and end with an oval is, your conclusion also you have to write, therefore like this I have to write 3p2 into 5p2. 3p2 into 5p2 nothing but 6 into 20, that is 120 ways. This is the question number 2, second bit. In the second bit, the third question is given end with a consonant. So that is given end with a consonant. End with a consonant means to get a 4-letter word. To get a 4-letter word means the last place can be filled with any one of the consonants. Consonants in miracle has how many vowels are there? 3 vowels. Remaining means consonants. That is consonants means I, M, R, C, L. In the to get a 4-letter word. So this place must be either filled with M or C, L. Either M, either R, either L. So how many ways this can be done in nothing but 4 places means first 1 place. That's why this can be done in 4p1. This can be arranged in 4p1. But how many places are left with this? Nothing but 3 places. The remaining 3 places can be filled with how many letters are there? Suppose we can fill by M. The remaining, how many letters we have? 6 letters. 6 letters, 3 blank places. 6 letters and left over 3 places. 6 letters, nothing but we can arrange in 6p3 ways. Therefore, the total answer is 4p1 into 6p3. That is 4 into 6p3 nothing but 6 into, right, as starting with the 5, 6, writing up to 3 terms. 6 into 5 into 4. So that is, this is 120 into 4. That is total answer is 480. This simplification also we have to simplify. What is the value you are getting? The total number and total find means total, write all those numbering also we have to write. Explanation also important, like this way you have to write. And explanation is like this. I am explaining that, but this in the rough page I am writing. You have to understood like this. But explanation mostly important in the IP. So that you have to write like this only. So to what in the question is given in end with a consonant. End with a consonant means to get a 4-letter word, the last place must be filled with any one of the 4 letters, that is M or C, L. So 4 consonants are there. It can be done in 4 ways obviously. The remaining 3 places, how many left places? Places means 3 places. 3 places, suppose M are filled with the, so total remaining letters are 6. Either R means you get also 6 letters. Either C means you get remaining letters are 6 only. L also 6. So total letters are 6. Remaining 6 letters and 3 blank places. 3 blank places and 6 letters means it can be done in 6p3 ways. 6p3 nothing but 6 into 5 into 4. So 4p1 nothing but in first place, the end place is nothing but 4p1. 4p1 nothing but 4 into 6pt. The total answer is 480. This is the question number second one. Nana, you have to write all those. Nana, don't forget to write the explanation. So important. So that is question number 3. Now I am going in the next page. Question number 3 nothing but find the number of 4-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word mixture, which first bit is given contain the letter X and second one is do not contain the letter X. Read the question properly, Nana. Don't get afraid of these simple things, all simple problems only. So just what is the question? In the question the given word is mixture is given. Mixture is given. Okay. So in the given word mixture has how many letters? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 letters. So in which all are same or no? It is different. So find a number of 4-letter words that can be formed using the letters of the word mixture only given. So that is why mixture means how many letters are there? So totally 7 letters. 7 letters means, so it can be done in the question 7p4 okay. But 4-letter word is given, so we can a number of ways is totally 7p4. In this, in which is given first bit contain the letter X. First bit is contain the letter X. So how many word is asking? Number of letters of the word is 4-letter word. So in this the contain the letter X. Mixture already have the letter X. X means not into this is X. X means the letter X. The letter X. So X should be in the first place or second place or third place or fourth place. So we put in any one of the 4 blank places. So how many ways we can draw means it can be done in 4 ways. Either first place or second place, third place or fourth place. So either X can be put in the any one of the 4 blank places. How many ways means 4 ways. But if it is suppose here we can put it as X. How many leftover places we can find? 3 places we can find. So 3 blank places and the letter X has to be eliminated. Total number of letters are in the question is given that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 letters, 6 letters, 6 letters and 3 blank places. So this can be done in 6p3. 6p3 nothing but 6 into 5 into 4. That is 120. The total remaining answer is what? First 4 into 120. That is 480 ways. So what is the question is given? Mixture contain the letter X. It should be in the first place or not given. It is in end or first place. In the previously question, starting with E, it is given end with begin with E and end with N. But in the place, it should be either in place of either first place or second place or third place or fourth place. So this can be done in, that's why put it as X in the any one of the 4 blank places. How many ways we can fill this? And fill this means 4 ways. If it is any place we can substitute it, then we have the 3 blank places we can get. So 3 blank places. So number of letters X has eliminated and that means it was fixed in any one of the boxes. Remaining letters are 6. 6 letters, 3 blank places. So this can be done in 6p3. Therefore, the number of 4-letter words containing the letter X is 4 ways in first case and second case. 4 into 6p3 that is 4 into 120 that is comes to 480 ways. We can arrange this by using the mixture word containing the letter. Number of ways is 480. In the second question is given that do not contain the letter X. Do not contain the letter X means, so completely to avoid the letter X. That means leaving X as, let X in, not if this is into X aside. So it's completely X, keep it as aside. So how many we can find? Fill the remaining 6 letters. So in mixture X should be eliminated. Remaining letters are 6 to get a 4 letter word. So that can be done in 6P, 4 ways. Therefore, the number of words that do not contain the letter X is 6P4, that is nothing but 6P4 nothing but 360 ways. Okay. The question number 3 is given like that. Question number 3 is nothing but, what is the question is given once again? Mixture word is given in which contain the letter X is given. Contain the letter X means it begin or end are not given. To be filled with either first place or second place or third place anyway. And second question is given, do not contain the letter X. So in which the word is given has 7 letters which are all different. The first question is given that contain the letter X. So first we put X in any one of the 4 blank places. So how many places are there? 4. So it can be done in obviously 4 ways. Then how many we find the remaining places means 3 places. One place is fixed. Remaining number of places are 3. 3 blank places and X should be eliminated. That means fixed in any one of the boxes. Then you get the 6 letter word. So this can be done in how many ways, Nana? 6P3. 6P3 nothing but 6 into 5 into 4, that is 120 ways. So that means that the number of 4 letter words containing the letter X is 4 into 120, that is 480 ways. This is the question number 1. And similarly, do not contain the letter X. It should not be in the letter X. So it should be keep aside. That means leaving X as to aside. Then we can fill the remaining 6 letters. X as aside means how many? 6 letters are remaining. So that is why we can fill the remaining 6 letters in 6P 4 ways. Why? Because 4, to get a 4 letter word in the question is given. So keep it as only X aside and to form a 4 letter word. So 6 letters with the 4 places. So that is to get a 4 letter word means 6P 4 ways. So that is therefore the number of words that do not contain the letter X is 6P4 nothing but 360 ways. This is the question number 3. Okay. Write all those, Nana. Explanation is most important. This is only in the rough page for our convenience and for our sake of learning. That's why like this we will do in the objective method. This is the objective method. Write in this is description way. That is in the IP you should write all this. This is the objective method. Next go to the question number 4. Question number 4 nothing but we have the question. Question number 4. Find the number of ways of permuting the letters of the word picture so that first question is given all vowels are come together and second one is no 2 vowels are come together. Third one is the relative positions of vowels and consonants are not disturbed. The question read carefully, Nana, first. If any question is given, first you read carefully to get an idea. Whatever idea will first read the question properly and getting any for idea. So find the number of ways permuting the letters of the word picture so that all the vowels are come together, no 2 vowels are come together, the relative positions of vowels and consonants are not disturbed. So what is the question? Picture is given. Picture. The word is given that picture. So that is why how many find the number of ways are permitting means in first question is given all vowels are together. First number of vowels you have to write. Number of vowels. Vowels nothing but I is there, U is there, E is there. So that is nothing but 3 vowels are. And similarly number of consonants. Number of consonants that is nothing but P, C, T, R. This carries 4. Okay. In the first question is given all vowels are come together. If any question in this come together means, so you have to make a bundle. That's all. Make a bundle or unit, anything. So vowel should be in the form of one unit. So in the question is given, all vowels are come together. So vowel should be as a group of people like this. So that's why we are taking as, treat the three vowels as, vowels are here, three are there. So three vowels are take as one unit. I, U, E. So make a bundle. That's all. This make a bundle means this has to one bundle or one unit in either any way. And then we have, if already we can treat as one unit, then we have four consonants. Four consonants and one unit of vowels. One unit of vowels means total how many things? So that is three things. Five things. So four consonants, the bundle of I, U, E, that can be the total things are five things. Five things can be permuted in how many ways? Nothing but 5 factorial ways. Next go to, this is the first work and the second work 2 is nothing but the vowels are interchanging either starting with E or U, I, E, anything. This among permutation will be occurs. That means now the three vowels can be arranged among individually, that is nothing but among themselves, that is done in 3 factorials. Either I, U, either I or U and 3, nothing but as in 3 factorials. So therefore, the number of total arrangements done in first case, that is 5 factorial, second case is 3 factorial. So that is 5 factorial obviously 120, 3 factorial obviously 6, that is nothing but 720 ways. So question is given, picture all vowels are come together. All vowels are come together means, so make a friendship or else one unit, that's all. Treat the three vowels as one unit, then it should be one bundle. Then we have remaining four consonants and one unit of vowels. So total how many things? Five things will be there. Five things can be permuted in those nothing but 5 factorial. And the remaining bundle are interchanging with either starting with I or U or any way. So this can be done in how many ways? Nothing but three vowels are there. It can be permuted among themselves is three numbers are there, 3 factorial. So that is nothing but 5 factorial into 3 factorial. Therefore, the total number of permutations in which all vowels are come together, that is 120 into 6, that is making to 720 ways. So, okay, we write all this explanation in this like this way. Just I am explaining in the right side. In similar way, the question number 2 is there. Question number 2. No two vowels come together. No two vowels come together. So, no is obligation is nothing but no two vowels come together. Should not be come as two vowels. So, you have to know nothing but, so we have to first fill with the saying no two vowels nothing but first we arrange the four consonants. So, for how many are consonants in the miracle picture? Not miracle. Consonants are there, four consonants, that is in previously picture is word na picture, that is nothing but P, C, T, R. So that is consonants. So first arrange four consonants in how many ways? Nothing but four ways. In these four should not be coming means how many? Two. Picture means 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Don't come by come one by. So how many places we are getting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Why? Because should not be no two words come together means you have to arrange in them in between remaining consonants. That is why we have to find the gaps in between them. So how many gaps are there? N plus 1. Already yesterday we learned. How many ways in can be next place in the, if it is number of things are in a row, how many places we can find in this means n plus 1. Nothing but it is 4 means we can find 5 places obviously. In these 5 gaps, this total boxes will be filled with consonants only. So in the gaps places we can fill with vowels. Vowels how many are there? 5 gaps are there and vowels are 3. Vowels are 3. This can be done in 5 vowels, 5 gaps, 3 vowels. This can be done in 5p3 ways. Therefore, the total number of words in which the number of vowels, no two vowels come together is 4 factorial into 5p3. Nothing but 24 into 60. That is 1440 ways. No two vowels come together means you should arrange in between the gaps only. Should not come one by one. So arrange with the leftover consonant. So since no two vowels come together means first we arrange the 4 consonants in 4 factorial ways. Then we can find gaps in between them. In these 5 gaps, we place to fill 3 vowels in how many ways? 5p3 ways. Therefore, the number of words in which no two vowels come together is 4 factorial into 5p3, that is 1440 ways. This is the question number 3, third bit. For question number 4, second bit. In similarly, the third bit is given. The relative positions of vowels and consonants are not disturbed. So the relative positions of vowels and consonants are not disturbed. So number of vowels are, how many are there? Vowels in this word is given vowels as 2. Vowels as only, how many vowels are there? 3 vowels. In place of vowels, vowels has 2 vowels, and relative positions means you should arrange in the place of vowel. Remaining vowels only should be placed. That's all. With either and consonants. So places with the vowels and consonants with consonants only. So how many vowels in this word, in the picture the word, that means 3 vowels. That's why we write in here. The 3 vowels can be arranged in their relative positions in how many ways? Nothing but 3 factorial ways. And the remaining consonants are there. So should be filled with consonants to consonants. That is, the 4 consonants can be arranged in their relative positions is 4 factorial ways. Therefore, the number of 4-letter words that can be in the relative positions of the vowels and consonants are not disturbed means 3 factorial into 4 factorial. That is 6 into 24. 6 into 24 means you have to multiply. That's all. That is the question number 4, third bit. So what in the question is given? All vowels are come together. No two vowels are come together. And the relative positions of vowels and consonants are not disturbed is given. So that is why, so you learn this picture word. Total how many letters are there? 7 letters. Vowels are 3, consonants are 4. All vowels are come together means treat the 3 vowels as one unit. So make a bundle. So remaining we have totally 4 consonants plus 1 unit of vowels in 5 fact. Total things are 5 will be things. So that can be done in 5 factorial ways. So we make a bundle now, it can be arranged among themselves, that is because in the ways 3 factorial ways. Total number of means you should multiply, and means, so in between don't keep the place, the multiplication rule should be applied. 5 factorial into 3 factorial. That is the question number, first question. And then go to the second. No two vowels come together means you should fill the first, no vowels not coming. So that's why we first arrange with consonants. Consonants, 4 consonants in 4 ways or 4 factorial ways. Then we can find how many places in between them, nothing but 5 gaps. 5 gaps with the 2 vowels, 3 vowels. So it can be done in 5p3 ways. So total means total number of ways words to begin with, vowels, no two vowels come together. 24, 4 factorial into 5p3, that is 1440 ways. In the last question, the relative positions of the vowels and consonants are not disturbed means in place of the vowels, you can be arranged vowels only and consonants only consonants. So number of vowels is 3, nothing but 3 factorial ways. 4 consonants can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Therefore, total number of arrangements are 3 factorial to 4 factorial ways. Okay, now the explanation is like this. I am explaining in the right side. You have to follow all those. So, okay, write all those things in the examination. Nana. Tomorrow I will continue the remaining sections. Okay, Nana, right. Thank you.